This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Delano Sprinter 24RW is a Class C RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2023 Thor motor coach Delano Sprinter 24RW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.